Hello, in this video we'll do exercise 10, page 75. Reduce to the same denominator and compare. So here we have to do two steps. First, we have to reduce the fractions to the same denominator. Then we have to compare them. Because we know that we cannot compare two fractions, they don't have the same numerator or the same denominator. So here we have to reduce to the same denominator. Look here, we have 3/7 and 5/21. They don't have same numerator and they don't have same denominator. So what we have to do, we have to reduce them to the same denominator. We have to make them fractions with same denominator. Then we have to compare them. So here we have 7. We have to look at the denominator. 7 and 21. Can 7 be 21? Can becomes 21? Becomes bigger, so we multiply. Yes, if we multiply 7 by 3 we get 21, so we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator of this fraction by 3. We get a new fraction which is equal to this fraction. 3 times 3, 9. 7 times 3, 21. So now we have to compare these two fractions, 9/21 and 5/21, because they have the same numerator, denominator, 21 and 21. Now we have to compare the numerators, 9 and 5, which one is bigger? 9, so 9/21 is bigger than 5/21. Now we have 3/4 and 5/8. We look at the smallest number. 4 can become 8. Yes, if we multiply the 4 by 2, we get 8. So we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator of this fraction by 2. We get 3 times 2, 6. 4 times 2, 8. So now we get two fractions with same denominator. They have the same denominator, so now we can compare the fractions. So 6 is greater than 5, so 6/8 is greater than 5/8. Now we have 3/7 and 9/14. ABC. So now we have 5/10 and 13/20. Can the 10 becomes 20? Yes, if we multiply it by 2. So we have to multiply this fraction by 2. We multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So we get a fraction which is equal to 5/10 and equals to 5 times 2, 10. 10 times 2, 20. So now we have 20 and 20. So we have to compare the numerators. 10 and 13. 13 is greater than 10, so 13/20 is greater than 10/20. Now part D. 3/8 and 5/16. Can 8 become 16? Yes, if we multiply the 8 by 2. So we have to multiply the numerator also by 2. We get 6/16. Now we get two fractions with same denominator. So we have to compare the numerators 6 and 5. 6 is greater than 5, so 6/16 is greater than 5/16. Now we have 3/7 and 9/14. Can the 7 becomes 14? Yes, if we multiply it by 2, so we have to multiply also the numerator by 2, and we get 6/14. Now these two fractions have the same denominator, so we have to compare the numerators. 9 is greater than 6, so 9/14 is greater than 6/14. Now look, we have 7/6 and 6/7. The 6 cannot become 7, and 7 cannot become 6. So what we have to do here, 6 is not multiple of 7 and 7 is not multiple of 6. Here we cannot multiply the 6 by a number to get 7, and we cannot divide the 7 by a number to get 6. So what we have to do here? Here we multiply the denominators by each other. So we have to multiply the 6 by 7, and we multiply the 7 by 6 to get the same denominator, because we know that 6 times 7 is equal to 7 times 6. So we multiply this fraction by 7 and this fraction by 6. Now we get 7 times 7, 49. 6 times 7, 42. 6 times 6, 36. 7 times 6, 42. So we get the same denominator, which is 42, because 6 times 7 is equal to 7 times 6, which is 42. Now we have to compare the numerators. We have 49 and 36. 49 is greater than 36, so 49 over 42 is greater than 36 over 42. And thank you.